What's the meaning of adventure game? Adventure game. Adventure game. Adventure game. Adventure game. Adventure game. An adventure game is a genre of video game that involves intricate storytelling, exploration, and puzzle solving. Players typically assume the role of a protagonist who must navigate through a virtual world filled with obstacles and challenges to progress through the story. These games often involve decision-making and risk-taking, creating a sense of excitement and anticipation. The goal is to complete the game by successfully overcoming all obstacles and reaching the end of the story. Examples of popular adventure games include the Monkey Island series, The Legend of Zelda, and Myst.